We want to make people have fun.
I am going to sing a song. You will have 5 seconds to find the song and you will sing it. Orore, lo, wa, mi, re.
I'm very excited about the whole event today.
Your word is complex.
COMPLEX.
Correct. Treasure.
TEASURE. Treasure.
Not correct.
CONVETDENYNAGOE.
I was second position, but I also felt proud of myself, and at the same time, I was angry at myself also.
President Muhammadu Buhari is a president that lives.
I feel fantastic. I feel very amazing.
Move back, go back, dance again. Go back and dance again.
I won because it wasn't really easy because I'm an English student. I thought that I mostly do English. I don't really like mathematics, but
Thank you very much.
it was difficult. At some point, it was difficult at some point. But at the starting, it was easy, but at the ending part, it was difficult. This is amazing. It's because like it's out of the world.
One, two, three, go yeah. Yeah. Ah, on the one mouth.
Thank you. We really appreciate, and more money in the account.
Carry me they go, Baba carry me they go, they go, they go. Carry me they go, Baba carry me they go, they go, they go.
I just want to say thank you so much for organizing this Juvenile Harvest. May God bless you. May God bless you, and may more money enter your account to just thank you.
The significance of today's event in the life of Celestia is that the Bible says that we should appear to him 10 times in a year. First, the New Year. Second, the harvest, the Easter.
We shall not die, but live to declare the work of the Lord.
We did this preparation for about 3 months. We prepare them spiritually. At all aspects, we made them to fast, we made them to pray, and we made them to conduct the service the way the CCC Constitution has laid it down.
Today's lessons are taken from the book of Ephesians 6, verse 1 to 4.
We taught them all the passages for them to learn.
As a woman, it's our responsibility to nurture our babies to maturity.
This book of the law shall not depart from your mouth, but we shall meditate in it day and night.
The third prize award for the hymnal competition goes to the House of Zion! The House of David! The House of Osama!
I thank Almighty God that started with us and ended with us well.
You must get wisdom at all costs. No matter what it takes, you must make sure that you get it. Children, obey your parents. Period. That's just it.
First fruits are those things that the Lord has given you first in every of your labors.
The grace of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit rest and abide with you. Oh,